Later on today, going to get some trimming corner pieces to tidy up the edges, and also a lid for making of the seat when the cushion and the leather panel comes, for making of the seats. Please like and subscribe, comment and give me the thumbs up on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.